Hello, welcome back to Python tutorial from scratch. In this video we will learn about for loops. For loop is also called as fixed execution loop. It is best used if we want to execute block of code for particular number of times. In this example we use range function for iterating through for loops. Syntax of range: start value, end value, difference between values. Syntax for loop can be seen on the screen. Let us see the example for loop on the console. Thank you. See you in the next video. Do like, share and subscribe.